Hello and welcome to For Creations. My name is Ashley and today I wanted to show you the Valentine Gable box freebie that I have available on my blog. To grab this freebie, you'll click the link down below to access my blog For Creations. On the front page there is a sign up box to my email list. After you have signed up to my email list, you will receive an email with a password to get into my free resource library. And now we have entered the resource library. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see the Valentine's freebies that I have available. So for my Gable box, I use adhesive paper, but you can also use regular copy paper with some type of glue or tape. So after you print your box, cut out the white space around it. So with my box still flat, I'm going to first add the long piece that says Happy Valentine's Day. Next I'm going to take the heart and place it down as well. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. And that's it for the assembly. Now you can add in your sweets or a small toy to your Valentine's box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to be a part of my growing crafting family, please subscribe. Have a great day, guys.